Yes. Okay, welcome to Wednesday. Dancehall Dada. Today we'll be listening to Winky D. I think last week we had a blessing. Last week when you dropped his trilogy, he has never done that before, but that's good. We'll be looking at Ragga Msambo. We'll be looking at David and Goliath. We're not gonna play Reply. Sorry, but for some reasons we want to appreciate Winky D today, and we love his music right here on the Afro Hot Music. So we're gonna start with Ragga Msambo. All right, guys, drop us an email, drop us a comment on the comment box. Just subscribe and listen to this one. Right, perfect songs. I'm a DJ tonight, Agemenon. Right. We had a challenge for Winky D on the David and Goliath reading because we had to take the fight to his backyard himself, Winky D, since he doesn't do readings that we do, but we have to take the fight to his backyard, and we're not fighting him. We just want to do stuff because we want to show him good shit down. We'll show him now David and Goliath. Stay tuned, listen to the David and Goliath after his song. Satedzere pano pisapa vatadzandura yange Isaka pamangoma ndini baba ndini Abrahama ndini ndiri kupisa ndakatakura sama vegetarian andina munyama ndavarisa marekodzi girama ndavamisa ndati stop ma drama ndiri kupisa kunge shop ya dama vanokwanisa kundimisa vese vakadzama udzaive mahadiwe uya ine hama ndavamisa ndati stop ma drama ndiri kupisa kunge shop ya dama vanokwanisa kundimisa vese vakadzama ndaisa tanzi muhomwe kunge chikwama saka yangova pekete rega indirekete patanya dhaka vanhu kunge mudzepete vari kukumbira ndavati pepepe pekete rega indirekete patanya dhaka vanhu kunge mudzepete vari kukumbira ndavati pepepe. Give me Ragga Msambo, give me Ragga Msambo, pandino shaura vandiwa ndapanda vapedzera kutiwa. Give me Ragga Msambo, give me Ragga Msambo, pandino shaura vandiwa ndapanda vapedzera kutiwa. Ndatangisa puresha ndanzirengera fanda seva chigoma chakachena chageza ndasakura ndazunza ndapedza mumastriti yango vagagagafa mamutsa rege dzanga dzafa mufa ndichimuka ndowandadya ndanzirapisa ndobva vatya ndavamisa ndati stop ma drama ndiri kupisa kunge shop ya dama vanokwanisa kundimisa vese vakadzama udzaive mahadiwe uya ine hama ndavamisa ndati stop ma drama ndiri kupisa kunge shop ya dama vanokwanisa kundimisa vese vakadzama ndaisa tanzi muhomwe kunge chikwama saka yangova pekete. Okay, I don't think Isaac was supposed to die that day, but I love Winky D. Just love him because he just loves these biblical stories and stuff like that. But like he said, Adzoka, and we respect him for that. We love him for that, and we're gonna honor him tonight. You know, we're gonna play songs from Winky D. But manga mechiti mimi munoreketa. Isu stinsi mandawa chota akukuona mechireketa munoreketa ere munobuya ere. Okay, that's fine. This is David and Goliath from one of the best.
Serious things. Last night I had a dream, but no me and no Martin Luther. I'm just a man looking at the future. Can't program me mind, me and no computer. Me want to see a better life for every ghetto youth, yeah. Me talk the things, no me not go mute. Have to stand on me feet, come me resolute. Ghetto youth, you have to rise up, follow suit. And so me come here, have to talk the truth. You don't know, sir. If you fight and run, then you won't go left to fight again. Stand up on your feet and be ready to go strike again. Everything.
Right. Okay. Tell me one DJ who will not do that. A backspin. I'm gonna do a double big swing. Backspin. Okay. Chicha kaitka pa David Goliath. I think Goliath wakarohene do me uchu fireba.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go.
Have to stand on me feet, come me resolute. Get a youth, you have to rise up, follow suit. As I me come here, have to talk the truth. You don't know, sir. If you fight and run, then you won't go left to fight again. Stand up on your feet and be ready to go strike again. David and Goliath, coming like David and Goliath. This time poverty fi kick where life gets sweet again. The blind now see the dumb speak again. David and Goliath, coming like David and Goliath. There in the dream I saw the youths in the ghetto drive car. Big house on the hill bright like a night star. Uno play the type of life there, that's a 5-star. You ta dash with the Corolla, jump in a Chrysler. You ta drive by, jet a fly by. Some say we can make it, but them a lie like. Still we rising to the top, up to the sky. Hell no, we never give up, we still a try. Life good in a me dream, I fi sleep again. Now go follow back and not.
Like I said before, to all the critics out there, Nyararai. This is Dancehall Mrs. This is Dancehall Dada. Big up to Winky D. But Winky D, Mamichiti, rekete, monotara. Okay, monobuya yeshindao. Listen to this one, Agemenon. Yeah, we challenge you on the David and Goliath region. I'm calling. Damn. Artists out there. Okay, big up to Demente, Juicer Demente for making this redeem for us. It was the direction, and I just want to big up to Demente. Since Winky D does not do redeems that we do, so we had to take the fight to his own backyard, but not fight with him. I believe it is okay, but I'm calling to all Zimbabwean artists out there. Let's challenge him in his own backyard. You know, he has got his own reasons why he doesn't come on our reading. So I took the fight to him. So this is myself, DJ Agemenon. Musharuka, I've got questions for you, Winky D, and I need answers, you know, and I need you to answer those questions if you can. But anyway, I love the redeems. Big up to Timeless Choose, my producer. Let's just go. Timeless Choose. Dancehall music, big up Winky D. What them say, that from Birana Tese. Yes. Talk from Birana Tese. You know, I love this song because it's just an honor to Winky D. Coming back to dancehall music, like what he did, you know, coming back to dancehall music, we respect him for that. So this is what I'm saying. Talk for me, don't say. Okay, let's go. What them say? Talk for me, don't say. I see Musharban Genye Mwechi Daro Musharuka Asi Genye Mwechi Daro. You don't bring a fight to end out in his own backyards and he pretend he's speaking down. But mama jiti rekete. It's just no boy. Tisamandawa and getting Meshidaro Musharuka. We want answers, but I love you. We love you. We respect you. We have so much respect for you guys. One year, what are them? This is
It's dancehall music, Shadukwa. You are good, we know that. Dancehall music, we sing that. It's that.
Alright, as a Zimbabwean living in South Africa, we face a lot of xenophobic attacks from here and there. We see our brothers and sisters being tortured to death. We decided to do this song just trying to unite Africans. If we could unite Africans, and I'm happy that Winky D does that through the music, and he won the award as a dancehall music and the message that. But we have to do this African song as well. I did the song with Warface and also my producer Timeless. Big up to Timeless tune, Alasis Mshoro and Warface. So it's called Africans.
Timeless tune.
It no matter where you're from, it no matter where you're from, it no matter who you are, it no matter who you are.
We are the Africans.
It no matter where you're from, my friend. It no matter where you're from, my friend.
Different colors. You are Ghanaian. Different colors. Malawi.
It no matter where you're from, my friend. It no matter where you're from, my friend.
One people. Namibian colors. Zimbabwean. Zambian colors.
It no matter where you're from, my friend.
South Africa, Nigeria, Algeria.
It no matter where you're from. It no matter where you're from. It no matter where you're from. United we stand and divided we fall. United we rich and divided we poor. Africa unite. Africa unite. Africa unite. United we rich and divided we poor. Africa unite. It no matter where you're from, my friend. It no matter where you're from. If you black, if you white, if you Asian, matter where you're from, my friend. Wow.
Different colors, one people. Different colors, one people.
Wow.
Different colors, one people.
It no matter where you're from, my friend. It no matter where you're from, my friend.
One people.
We are the people.
Different colors, one people. Different colors, one people. Different colors,
South
one
Africa.
people.
Right. I'm happy for today. I appreciate you guys. Today was more of Winky D. I believe at the trajectory that we are right now as Zimbabweans, we're gonna have to achieve great things because I believe our music is becoming world standard. I see a lot of talent coming out of Zimbabwe, and I have to big up to Nash Prince for what they're doing. Bringing the best out of us. Some of the artists are not known, and this is the best of the best, right? And this channel will be giving more platform to those artists that are not in Zimbabwe, but we'll be also looking at those artists that are also in Zimbabwe and that do not have the platform to be known. But this is what we need to do. The trajectory is great. Where we are going, we have achieved greater things in Zimbabwe that I always respect, and I hope we unite ourselves as well as Zimbabweans, regardless of political affiliation. This is very important because we are a greater nation, and we're going through these things that we're going through because we are a great nation. So I'll see you next Sunday when we drop another one. We have to apologize for not playing the reply from Winky T. Okay, that's another platform for that type of music, this genre itself. Today was more of dancehall music, but the African as well. I had to play it, but that was not the platform anyway. But we're gonna have to play it another time when we do this song. So I appreciate you guys. Just click and like and subscribe also to this YouTube channel, and also click the ring button so that you get notifications if we drop another great sound. But with respect to all Zimbabweans, I love you guys. We'll see you next Sunday. Perfect.